Hi, I'm Don Reiter, founder and CEO of Reiter's Custom Welding here in Phoenix, Arizona. And we just upgraded our production capabilities with the new purchase of our new BySmart 3015 10 kilowatt fiber laser. We are a fully equipped job shop serving the great state of Arizona for over 30 years. We serve all industries and have the versatility to offer complete custom design and manufacturing solutions that will work for any industry. My sons Donald and Ross joined the family business just over 2 years ago. Donald begged me for months to get into the CNC side of our industry because he saw it as a way to enhance the company and its quality for our customers. Little did I know it would be the start of something new for our business and its future.
Before acquiring our new BySmart Fiber laser, we used a wire jet to cut our sheet metal. But we found it difficult to secure sheet metal jobs at the time because of the speed of our water jet. We could only stack so many sheets at a time, and it got to a point that we knew that if we wanted to grow, we needed to get a laser.
Although we love our water jet, and it stays busy a lot of the time, they tend to be a challenge to maintain. The abrasive sand and garnet that is necessary to run a water jet is not cheap. The maintenance that a water jet requires includes a bunch of other processes, like machine downtime, labor, and disposing of the sand. We needed another machine that can cut metal more efficiently for us. Its user interface is extremely easy to get accustomed to, and it makes the production of our orders, big or small, easy to handle. We can now program the job and have it on the floor faster and have it running with less program errors as well. Quick turnaround and caring customer service is our secret sauce to growing, and our new Bystronic BySmart Fiber laser is instrumental in that process.
With our new BySmart Fiber laser, we're able to offer our services to entirely new clientele. We've recently acquired various manufacturing, automotive, oil field, structural construction, and startup business customers. We found ourselves being turned away from jobs because of the cutting time differential between our wire jet and other competitors' lasers. With our new fiber laser from Bystronic, we make an impression with our speed and turnaround capabilities. We've been able to master our handling time and run operations more efficiently.
The two shutter tables have been imperative to our success as well. We can load material and have other jobs running at the same time. This has significantly reduced our downtimes for us to handle the largest of projects. We're able to turn around thousands of parts daily.
The Bystronic team has been incredible at getting us parts when we need them on time and ensuring that we are always happy with the quality of our machine.
Bystronic is truly first class in how they treat us throughout the entire process, from the purchase, the delivery, and the installation. Their in-person training at their American headquarters in Hoffman Estates, Illinois was amazing and really allowed my brother and I to get a firm grasp on the programming, the software, and the operation of our new machine. The Bystronic team was patient and extremely helpful when teaching us all the ins and outs of how to use our machine. We couldn't be more thankful because they have made it so much more efficient here for us and have really allowed us to grow faster than we ever thought possible.